everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get lots of puppies, you get PA weather, and some life in there. I'm Laura. If you're new, I do have sidekicks with me. There is Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie, we have Willie, who is my son's dog, the Jack Russell, and we can't forget Harvey the kitty. I sure hope you stick around for long. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is Sunday, and we are headed to my sister-in-law's house for Christmas. So she does it early, so all the kids in the family can be at home on Christmas. She used to do Christmas Eve, but she moved it to the week, like the Sunday prior to now. Everyone dresses pretty casual, so am I. I have on Pistola denim, but I did the sparkly just to dress it up. I have a Michael Stars top on. This is a fun one with the ruching on the side, and it's just like a quarter sleeve. And then it's cold outside. It's only 34. It's supposed to get up to 43. I'm going to put this cute little sanctuary cardigan on top of it. For shoes, I can't wear any like fancy shoes because her driveway, you have to walk through gravel. So no fun heels. Instead, I chose these from Seychelles. I figured easy to get in and then take off when I get in the house. For jewelry, I have on my Louis necklace, the necklace that my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and I think I'm ready. We'll see how this goes. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already, time for outfit of the day. It was a busy weekend, right? I think I forgot to tell you yesterday we had a really great time Saturday, although it was like a full day and I was exhausted. And then yesterday we had the get together at my husband's sister's, and then we had to go see my dad. So it was another busy day. And then today I thought I wasn't as booked and forgot stuff. So I'm off and running. Dexter is being a silly willy, aren't you? You're silly goose, aren't ya? Loki's being good because, you know, he's a good doggy. My Stitch Fix and Ebby video posted today. You guys know about Ebby because I tell you about it all the time. I love them, so I wanted to bring you some new styles. From my Stitch Fix, I did end up keeping 5. I kept the shimmer jacket, which I'm in love with, from DL 1961. I ended up going to 5 because it was less money, but I kept the little pink uber soft V-neck sweater, and I kept the Michael Stars V-neck sweater, and I kept the basic little white tee because I can never have enough of those. And then between the Z Supply and the Sanctuary jackets, which I was committed to only keeping one of those, and I love Z Supply. I almost always pick Z Supply, but I picked the Sanctuary jacket this time. And that was the 5 I kept. I thought it was a really fun fix, and I love that it was styles that they aren't going to go out of style. They're going to be around for a long time, so I'll be able to continuously work them into my wardrobe. For today's outfit, I'm headed out to lunch at the moment with a friend of mine, which I for some reason I lost off my radar, but it's important to me that I meet her. So I'm glad that we have it on the calendar. So I have on a outfit primarily from Trendsend. The pants are cut from the cloth, came in a Trendsend. The top, which is a little, I know the neck is a little high for me. I keep kind of like moving it a little bit. We're going to see if I can stand it. I must have lost track of how high this neck was. This one's by L&A, also in a Trendsend. Paired it with these shoes. These just go so well. The Linea Paola. You'd be shocked at how much that these shoes go with. And they're on sale right now. I just bought the plain black because they're just so comfy and I really like how they look on. But they're on sale for now. I think $88 or less. And for my topper, this cute little jacket from Liverpool that I got in a JV Stylebox. I have on my Rocks Box necklace, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. Hope your week is going fabulous. We're almost at Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here. I just got all the fur off of my black shirt, and Willie came to see me, so it's all back. It's all back. All right, so we are just 2 days from Christmas, right? Like, today's what? Yeah, the 23rd, 2 days. Wow. Okay. It is 43 degrees outside, again, 47, very rainy. It's all rainy today. And for my outfit, I'm, you know, feeling the Christmas vibe. So I have on Daze denim, these red cool pants I got from JB Stylebox. Just paired it with a simple black top. This one is by Michael Stars, got it in a Stitch Fix. My shoes, I had to add some pattern, right? Vince Camuto from a Stitch Fix. And then I grabbed as my topper this cute little fur jacket. Love this. It's from the Loft. I don't have a lot of jewelry on, just my necklace today. And I think I'm ready to go. Finished wrapping last minute gifts. I got to do a grocery run, that kind of stuff, right? All right, so I hope you are doing really good as we head into the holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, Christmas Eve day. Hope everyone is doing amazing. The sun is out. It's a little bit warmer today. 36 right now, getting up to 48. So the holidays are almost here, right? And let's see, I was running around yesterday and running errands, had a car full of groceries, the whole thing, and my car dies. And the funny thing about it is, I don't even think it was 2 weeks ago my husband's did the same. So he had had it in the shop, no lie, like 5 times, and they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. It was the battery. Battery died while we were, again, out and about running errands. Had to beg someone to give us a jump, the whole thing, right? So yesterday, same thing with my car. Like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I had never put a new battery in mine, and mine is older, so I'm not shocked about mine. My husband's is newer, but again, had to get somebody to jump us, and now got home, but now everything's closed, so hopefully on Friday I can get squeezed in to get a new battery, but crazy, right? Crazy. Let's see, my Trendsend posted today. You know how much I love my Trendsend. It was another great box. This was the one that the doggos chewed all up, right? And I still have the box because I wanted to remember what all I kept for you all. It's been such a busy couple weeks. So I did end up keeping the Ever Eve smooth long sleeve tee. I did keep this little top. I loved it. I think you're not surprised. I kept the pink pullover. This was cute. Love that pop. I kept the cut from the cloth black pants. I kept the little rag and bone t-shirt, and I kept the blazer. You guys are not surprised. That was a request of mine, so I loved that. I cannot wait to wear it. And then I did keep the shoes. These were the gold ones. So those were my keepers out of this one. And now this box can go because it needs to go, right? And for today's outfit, luckily I didn't plan a whole ton. I just have a nail appointment to go to, so my husband's going to take me. And then we're going out to dinner tonight for Christmas Eve. So my outfit, I'll probably change for tonight, but I want to make sure I shared my outfit today, doing all my running around. I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Trendsend. I have on an American Eagle sweater. I just really like this one. It resonated. My shoes are these fun Dolce Vitas I got a long time ago in a Trendsend. And then for a top, most of this is Trendsend actually. For my topper, this cute little velvet fur jacket. It's not freezing out, but this will be a nice layer over top. I didn't put my jewelry on except for this necklace my husband got me. I don't have anything else on right now. And I'm off, ready to start the day. I'm going to try to make some cookies, get to my nail appointment, and then have dinner tonight. I hope you're doing amazing. Happy holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is now same day, evening, so officially Christmas Eve. The puppers have their Christmas sweaters on. I think Willie's with my son. Come here, Dexter, show everybody your sweater. Dexter tried to eat his sweater, so it actually has a hole in it. Come here, Dex. Come here. Come here. Come on. Loki's got his sweater on. Look how cute. The little penguin. Say hi to everybody. Okay. Dexter has his sweater on. It says, I can't pick him up. It says naughty or nice. I'll try to film it. And he has a big hole in it. So we're headed out to dinner. and Linda's husband and son will join us, which has been a new tradition. And so I have a different outfit on. I put on my Steve Madden skirt with all the sparkle. I love this one. I got it in a JB Stylebox. Just paired it with a simple black V-neck sweater. This one is by Sanctuary. It has a subtle sparkle in it too, but very, very subtle. Paired with, guess what shoes? Yep, my Cosy Island red shoes. And then I have on a necklace that my husband got me. And we're ready to go. I don't even have my bracelet stuck on. It's chilly outside, so I'm ready to go. I'm ready. We have to find a warm coat, and we're off. All right. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Friday, the day after Christmas. I decided to take Christmas as a me day, so no filming. I didn't even do after the day. So I'm back now. I hope everyone had an amazing day. They got to spend time with those they cherish the most. And let's see, the weather seems to be coming now. We'll see. They're saying some freezing rain, snow, wind. Should be an exciting day. And before I get to my outfit, I wanted to say thank you to Lisa, who sent me this beautiful card with a beautiful note inside, to which I will reply. So she's going to get an email soon. So thank you so very much. And with this beautiful little Christmas ornament that she made. How cute is that? So I cherish this. Thank you so much for thinking of me and for the beautiful note. For my outfit today, I have on, let's see, the Pistola Lexi from a Stitch Fix, Michael Starr's top from a Stitch Fix. I have on Sam Edelman shoes. I got these a long time ago. I've had them for quite some time now. I was afraid to wear a heel today, just in case. And then I topped it off with this Liverpool jacket that I got at a boutique. For my jewelry, I have on a necklace my husband got me. Just got me this for Christmas, a bracelet stack, and I think I'm ready for the day. I'm going to go try to get my battery fixed so I can drive my car again. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the week. It is 34 degrees outside, getting up to 45 today, so not too bad. And let's see, my car's all fixed, so I'm ready to roll again. It was an expensive day yesterday, but it's fixed, it's ready to go. I forgot to do my Friday Funny yesterday because my days are just all messed up due to the holiday. So I do have one of Loki this time. As I mentioned, Loki loves to shred paper. Any paper he sees, like he's already eyeballing this, any paper that he sees, he likes to shred. And this is him at Christmas time. I didn't even get him a ton of toys. In fact, the toys I did get are already destroyed. But this is him having fun shredding the wrapping paper. Let's see. And then Ebby is on sale. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing about Ebby from me, but Ebby is the best. If you have not tried their undies, please try them. You will love them. And everything is 30% off or more right now. So go check it out. I'll put all the information down below. And for today, I don't know what these dogs are smelling, but for today, I have on a pair of Just USA denim from a JB Stylebox. How fun are these? Paired with a Z Supply long sleeve tee. I got this in a Trendsend once upon a time. With this jacket from, I believe this one is Blank NYC. I love this. You've seen this before already. But yes, Blank NYC. Got it from Ever Eve. For shoes, I have on, of course, Dolce Vitas. Got them in a Stitch Fix. And for my jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me with the necklace that my friend got me. So this double-stranded necklace with my initial, my friend got me. And my bracelet stack, of course. And I'm off. Also, my JB Stylebox posted today, and always, always, always such a good one by my stylist, Carol. She just does an amazing job. So let's see, what did I keep? I think I kept everything except for that shiny pair of denim from Pistola, which I already owned a similar pair from Cut from the Cloth Texture wants to see my pictures. So I kept the sweater with the fur collar. I thought that was adorable. I kept this whole outfit. And I mentioned that they had a matching pinstripe blue and white jacket from Liverpool that goes with these pants. It doesn't have any red in it. It's just blue and white pinstripe. I did get it from the Liverpool site, like for a really good deal. Kept the red jacket because I just love the fit, even though red is not my color, but I thought it was adorable. I kept both of these pieces as well. So I kept the blue denim jacket because I like the longer fit. And then I kept these fun Liverpool jeans. And, oh, and I kept the black set. Yep, I kept this too. I love that. I thought they were adorable and oh so comfortable. So yes, I kept everything except for those pants. As always, I will list all of my outfits down below. I will link to the boxes if they came from a box, or I will let you know which box they came in, and I have all the links down below. I will also link directly to an item if I can, if it's still available. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite is. So please do comment down below. Please swipe to hype, hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.